Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a full tutorial on how to mute words on Twitter. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your Android or iPhone device. Then, tap your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. From there, select Settings and Support, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety, and then go to Mute and Block. Once you're in the Mute and Block section, tap on Muted Words. To add a new word or phrase, tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the field labeled Enter Word or Phrase, type in the word or phrase you want to mute. Parents, if you're listening, I take it that you might know it all. Finally, tap Save at the top right corner to confirm your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully muted words on X Twitter. Now, any tweets containing the muted words will no longer appear in your timeline or notifications. By muting specific words, you can create a more tailored and enjoyable Twitter experience, free from unwanted or triggering content. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.